questions that are part of your e-learning activity. It's probably going to take me 2 little videos because I can't go past 15 minutes. All right, so the first question, how much concrete is needed to build a footbridge? Well, when you look at this picture, hopefully you'll see that you have 2 cylinders. You have a cylinder right here, or half of a cylinder, with a radius of 4. And then you have another cylinder right here, okay? So the first thing that you need to do, and I'm going to just highlight this right here. So the radius of this cylinder is 6. So we're going to take the volume, we're going to calculate the volume of the large cylinder minus the volume of the small cylinder, okay? Volume for a cylinder, area of the base times height, which is basically pi r squared h, okay? So I have the large cylinder, pi times my radius, 6 squared, times my height, which is 2. 6 squared is 36 times 2, so I have 72 pi. That's the volume of the large cylinder. Now I'm going to find the volume of the smaller cylinder, area of the base times the height, okay? The pi radius of the small cylinder is 4, so I have pi times 4 squared times the height, which is 2, equals 16. 4 squared is 16 times 2, 32 pi. All right. Now, I'm just trying to figure out how much concrete is needed to build the bridge, so I just want the difference of the 2. So I'm going to take the large cylinder minus the small, 72 pi minus 32 pi, and I come up with 40 pi, which is about 125.66 cubic meters, okay? Part 2 of that question says if 1 cubic meter weighs 2,400 kilograms, how much does the footbridge weigh? So we're just going to take the amount of cubic meters for the footbridge times the weight of 1 cubic meter to get the total kilograms. And when I multiply the 2 of those together, I get 301,584 kilograms. So this footbridge weighs 301,584 kilograms. All right, question 2. The Spirit Club receives 20% of all of the candy sales during the home basketball games. They sell candy bars for $1.25 each, and they sell bagged candy for $2.50 each. Last week they raised $250 and they sold 500 candy bars. So the first thing that I want to identify is I need to figure out what 20% of a candy bar is and 20% of a bag of candy. That'll tell me how much they make as their commission. So 20% is the same thing as 0.2 times $1.25. That'll be, when I multiply the 2 of those together, I find out that they earn 25 cents for every candy bar they sell. And then 0.2 times 250 shows me that they earn 50 cents for every bag of candy. All right, so now we're going to write an equation. Well, last week they earned, $250. They sold 500 candy bars, so I'm going to take 500 times the amount of money I make off of a candy bar. All right. Plus they sold some bagged candy. I don't know how many, but I'm going to say that B equals the number of bags of candy that we sold. And I know that I get 50 cents per bag. So when I solve, I end up with 125 plus 0.5B equals 250. 0.5B equals 125. Divide both both sides by a 0.5. And so the number of bag candy that they sold is 250. So they sold 250 packages of bagged candy. Okay? Question 3. How much concrete, Joe started a new job selling cars and he must choose between the two different pay packages. Package A says that he'll earn $1,200 a month plus 12% commission. Package B says he earns $2,000 a month and 7% commission. The question is, if Joe chooses package A, what must his total sales be in order to earn $3,000 a month? Okay, well, we should know from our percent lesson that if I'm trying to calculate commission, I know that commission equals the total sales times the rate. Okay, so let's write an equation for that. So Joe gets $1,200 a month as his salary plus 12% times the total sales. Now I don't know what the total sales are, so we're going to call that X, and I know that I'm going to write 12% as a decimal. And that has to equal $3,000 a month. That's what Joe needs to make a month to survive. Okay? So when I simplify, I'm going to subtract 1,200 from both sides. So I really have that 0.12 X equals 1,800. Divide both sides by 0.12. And X equals 15,000. So Joe needs to have $15,000 worth of sales if he wants to earn $3,000 a month for choosing that package A. Now, what if Joe chooses package B? What if he decides he wants package B? Now remember, package B says that he earns a $2,000 salary, so $2,000, but he only earns a 7% commission, so that's 0.07. That's his commission. He still wants to make the $3,000 a month. Okay? So I'm going to subtract 2,000 from both sides, and when I do that, I come up with 0.07. X equals 1,000. Divide both sides by 0.07. And I find out that in order to make $3,000 a month, Joe's monthly sales have to be around $14,285.71. Okay?